Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have you ever thought that space is completely silent? In movies, space is often portrayed as a place of eerie silence. But the truth is, space is filled with strange and sometimes terrifying sounds. Today, we're taking you on a journey through our solar system to listen to the scary sounds from 10 planets and celestial bodies. Where do these sounds come from? Are they just radio waves, or there's something more to them? Before we begin, let's understand how sounds travel in space. Since there is no air in space, sound waves cannot propagate like they do on Earth. However, planets, stars, and even galaxies emit radio and magnetic waves that NASA spacecraft such as Voyager 1 and 2, Cassini, and Juno have captured and converted into audible sound. Venus, whispering storms and hellish winds. Let's start with Venus, our scorching hot neighbor. Venus has a thick atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide, creating powerful storms and constant lightning. These sounds are caused by intense volcanic activity and unstable magnetic fields. Some scientists even speculate that these signals could be related to changes on the planet's surface. Jupiter, ghostly lightning and mysterious screams. Now we travel to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system with an insanely powerful magnetic field. These sounds come from giant lightning storms and supersonic winds in Jupiter's atmosphere. One of its most famous storms, the Great Red Spot, has been raging for over 300 years. Saturn, haunted ring waves. Saturn, known for its breathtaking rings, produce some of the most bizarre and unnatural radio waves ever recorded. These sounds are generated by charged particles colliding with Saturn's magnetic field. But some believe these sounds could indicate unknown activity deep within the planet. Uranus, the silent killer with hidden signals. Uranus has one of the most mysterious and unusual magnetic fields in the solar system. These signals are likely caused by solar winds interacting with its magnetosphere, but scientists are still investigating the true origin. Neptune, the howling winds of the deep void. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, has supersonic winds that travel faster than any storm on Earth. These extreme winds create some of the most haunting sounds recorded in space. Pluto, the frozen echoes of a distant world. even though Pluto is no longer classified as a planet, it remains one of the most mysterious objects in our solar system. This eerie sound may be caused by movement of its icy surface and interaction with solar radiation. Titan, the Saturn's moon. The deadly sound of liquid methane. Titan, one of Saturn's largest moons, has leaks of liquid methane. These eerie sounds are likely caused by methane storm and shifting liquid on its surface. Europa, Jupiter's moon, cracking ice in alien oceans. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is covered in a thick sheet of ice. Scientists believe there is a massive liquid ocean beneath its surface. Could these sounds be evidence of underwater alien life? The Sun, violent plasma eruptions. These terrifying noises come from massive solar flares and plasma waves emitted by our Sun. If a strong enough solar storm hit Earth, it could disable satellite and power grid worldwide. Deep space, the sound of interstellar void. NASA's Voyager 1 probe, now traveling beyond our solar system, recorded these eerie sounds as it crossed into interstellar space. Could these signals come from something unknown? After hearing these terrifying sounds, we are left with one big question. Are these just natural cosmic phenomena, or could they be something more? Could these sounds hint at hidden mysteries, alien life, or unknown forces lurking in the universe? What do you think? Are these just scientific anomalies, or do they reveal secrets we are not yet ready to understand? Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more mind-blowing space mysteries. See you in the next video. Bye bye.